The night beckons.
Welcome to the Undead Laboratory. Today, we're going to be talking about glow-in-the-dark paint and why it doesn't quite work the way people hope it will. If you're like me, you got glow-in-the-dark paint with one thought in mind. The sun will charge the paint and it will glow at night. The biggest problem with glow-in-the-dark paint is that it doesn't keep its charge for very long. Since the sun takes so long to set, it will usually be a very faded glow, if any at all. For the most part, it is easiest to use ultraviolet reactive paint and a black light instead. This will give you a much sharper glow that will be consistent. The true benefit to the glow-in-the-dark paint is when you need or can make an area pitch black. The cost is that you'll need to charge the paint. The most effective way to do this is to shine a light on the paint for as long and late as possible and remove all light when you need the effect. Hopefully this information will help you make an informed decision on what kind of paint best suits your needs.